What's up, TikTok? This is the breakdown of the 3 business structures that me and my wife own. So we currently own 3 different businesses, and this is how we break down the structure and the finances for these 3 businesses. So this is me and my wife. We own what's called a living trust. The living trust owns this Wyoming LLC, and this is what we call a holding LLC, which basically means that it holds other LLCs. So we have 3 LLCs, and these are our 3 businesses. Number 1 is our rental property business. At the top level, we have another holding LLC, which holds individual single member LLCs. And each rental property that we buy, we assign it to one LLC. So the LLC is the owner for that rental property. Now, each rental property has its own dedicated checking account, okay? And so any profits that a rental property makes or any income that it produces will go into this bank account, and any expenses will be paid out of this same bank account. Okay, so that applies for this rental property as well. So if we have any leftover profit within these bank accounts, we can transfer the money from these 2 bank accounts into our own personal bank account. Okay, now our second business is our influencer business, so TikTok and YouTube, and we have an LLC for that. Again, its own dedicated bank account. In order to create a bank account, all you need is the EIN and maybe the operating agreement, or basically documents that your LLC is actually a valid LLC. Bring that to the bank. You can create an LLC and have it own a bank account. Okay? That bank account, again, profits from our business go into that bank account. Any expenses that we might have come out of that bank account. Any left over, we can transfer into our own personal bank account. And last but not least, we have my wife's real estate agent business, because she is a real estate agent. We have an LLC, and this LLC is taxed as what we call an S-Corp. And we're not going to go into the details of what an S-Corp is, but just know that if you want to save a lot of money in your business and you make over $40,000 of profit in your business, it makes more sense to elect to tax as an S-Corp compared to just a regular LLC. Anyways, this LLC owns this bank account, just like these other 2 businesses. Again, profits from her real estate agent business will go into the bank. Any expenses like gas or home office deductions or any utilities that we use or her phone bill will go out of this bank account. Again, any leftover will get transferred over into our personal bank account right here. So that's the structure of our 3 businesses. That's how we manage the money. That's how we manage the bank accounts. And this is the full picture.